Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to dump and restore database in MySQL on Oracle Linux 8.5. MySQL is a relational database management system developed by Oracle. It is based on structured query language that provides numerous Unix utilities in a single executable file. First I am going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. I have already installed MySQL and created a database with tables. Login MySQL -u root -p. Enter the password. Show databases. Use RDBMS. Show tables. Select star from ranks. As you can see, we have a database with tables inside it. Now exit. Now I am going to back up the database. Use the following command: mysql dump -u root -p. Enter the database name RDB.SQL. Enter the password. List the files. RDBMS.SQL. Now again login MySQL. Drop the database. Now show databases. As you can see, the AudioDB database have been removed. Now I am going to create a new database. Create database audio. Show databases. The audio database have been created. Now exit. Now I am going to restore the AudioDB database. Use the following command: this is the command to restore the database. Now again login MySQL. Show databases. Use audio. Show tables. As you can see, the databases have been restored. Now I am going to show the tables. Select star from ranks. The tables also restored successfully. With this, how to dump and restore MySQL database on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.